What are you doing? You gonna show me how you climbed up there last time?
Wow.
Wow. You like those bells? Let's see. How are you gonna get them? Oh, be careful. Oh, there's your way. You're gonna try to climb up the stool again? I wouldn't try it because... You don't need those bells. Let's see. Look. Be careful. Don't fall. Max, what are you doing up there? You got it. You got him.
Wow.
Wow. How'd you get up there? You climbed up there on the stool?